lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down the comments down below how your day is going. Mine is going fantastic. So if you read from my description, we are going to be unboxing the Sunday Riley subscription box. I believe this is the May and June one. This is a bi-monthly subscription. And what this is, it's $95 a month if you want to get the one-time box. But if you want to get the subscription, you save 10% off. I believe I pay $85 every other month. And this comes themed. So the first one that I unboxed was the last one, and I'll leave it down below. And I didn't realize it came themed, and it was the love theme. And I'm like, why? We only got 2 Sunday Riley products, and the rest was like, you got a vibrator and all this other kind of stuff. I'm like, what does this have to do with Sunday Riley? So now it makes sense. So this month the theme is travel. So everything in here will be for travel. So it's not like you get everything in here that is Sunday Riley, if that makes sense. So I don't know what's in here. I haven't watched any unboxings of it. I haven't even oh, there's no tape to cut. I haven't even opened it. It does come in a big outer packaging. So I did take that out. And then there was something on top that I'll show you once I get to it, the card. All right, so let's open her up and let's see what's in here together. Oh, okay. So that's what it looks like that. All right, so here is a handbook. Now, is the card in here? All right, no, this is something different. All right, maybe this is. Okay, I'm just going to take that off. Is this it? Okay, here is the book that tells you what everything is in the book. All right, so let me show you what it looks like once I took that out. So you get quite a few things in here. All right, so let's see. All right, so this is the handbook right there. And it says the Sunday Edit's first ever travel journal is here. The Globetrotter Handbook is a new traveling sidekick. Have a question about budget? Check your journal. Need a travel playlist? We got you covered too. Take your journal on your next vacation and let the good times roll. So this would be, you can get this at Sunday Edit, and the retail value is $15. Now, I don't travel too much, so I don't know how much useful this will be for me, but my husband travels all the time on business, so I'll probably give most of the stuff in here to him. So you go, oh, you know, it's like stuff that you can write down. Let's see what else. What you be? Okay, so you add your photo right there, and then you say this journal belongs to, you put your name. What else? Where you go. All right, so it just tells you everything about travel and stuff, just exactly what it says. Okay, so that's that. So that's $15. All right, the next thing is, okay, let's see. Well, let me just, I'm a little confused. Where? Okay, what is this? So this is a brush here. This is a Harry Josh brush, and this says it's a Harry Josh premium oval brush. Retail value is $50 for this brush. Now, I do want to say, I do remember that this box is supposed to be $385 worth of value. So it's $95 if you get a one-time box, but you do get almost $400 worth of value. I don't know if I would pay $50 for a brush. Let's say it says, celebrity hairstylist Harry Josh, who has worked with everyone from Olivia Wilde and Cindy Crawford, launched his namesake hair tool line in 2013 because salon-worthy hair requires professional quality tools. This Harry Josh Pro Tools Premium Oval Brush fulfills that role wonderfully, making it the perfect brush for your hair needs. Blending nylon and natural bare hair bristles, this brush gently combs through wet and dry hair to tangles and leaves strands smooth and shiny. Plus, the mix of high-quality bristles makes hair more manageable and prevents breakage. And then that goes a little bit more. But let's just say, well, that's what the packaging looks like right there. I still don't know if I would pay $50 for a brush. Let me know in the comments down below, would you? I'm trying to open this thing up. Oh my God, come on. All right. right, so this is what it looks like. It's just like a regular brush like you can get at Walmart and stuff. I mean, I know it says it has like, I don't know. I'll probably give this to my daughter, but she has curly hair as well, so it probably will make it frizzy. But this is good though when her hair is wet, or my hair is wet when you have curly hair, you know, to brush it to get all the tangles out. So I'll give that to her. So that's good that they do put this in the box, but like I said, I would never pay $50 for a brush. All right, moving on. Then we have this beach towel. This is a Sand Cloud Wonderless towel. This retail value is for $44. It says lightweight, ultra absorbent, and sand resistant. This towel from Sand Cloud is perfect for a day spent at the beach, pool, or hiking. When summer's over, use it as a bath towel, comfy blanket, or even a wall tapestry to add some color to your room. Each Wonderless tie-dye towel is handmade and the color is one of a kind. The sand-resistant design is made in Turkey with 100% Turkish cotton, and 10% of all profits are donated to Save Marine Life. Well, I do like that. All right, so let's see. I live by the beach. I'm about like 30 minutes from the beach, and it's nice because when it gets windy and stuff, you guys know if you've been to the beach, right, that the sand gets all on your towel and stuff. So this is really pretty. I actually like tie-dye. I know not everybody does, but I think that's just gorgeous. It is really, really pretty. Right there. Now, I don't know if this is coming a little dark. I'm having problems since this is a new device that I'm using with the lighting situation. So it will get better. But, yeah, that's really, really pretty. All right. Moving on. Okay, so then we have this, Sweet Dreams. This is from Hum Beauty Z's. This is 30 vegetarian tablets, and the retail value is $10, and it's just, you know, sleeping pills. So, melatonin and B6. All right, so we got that. All right, what else we be? All right, so, oh, this is pretty cool. This is music on the go. So, this is from Crave Funk. This is what is it? A Go speaker. Is in dusty pink. Retail value is $45. It says this brand new transportable Bluetooth speaker from Danish lifestyle brand Crave Funk is a pocket-sized genius. A Go might be small, but it delivers incredible sound whether you are at home or heading out. The soft edges and simple designs makes it a stylish choice. And then it just says little things what it features. So it looks like a box. This little thing came out that has directions. Oh, this is small. All right, so that's pretty cool too. When you're traveling, you can have like a little speaker. Oh, that is awesome. You can just hook that up to your phone or your iPad or whatever that you have. So that's really cool. How much did that say? $45. All right, I might pay $45 for something like that. So that's pretty cool, and I like the packaging. It looks like a wood packaging. It's not, but it looks like it. All right, moving on. All right, so then I seen that. All right, right here. So this right here, we have a pillowcase. So the retail value for this is $36. Now this is a satin pillowcase, which is good. It says, welcome to the slumber party. Meet your new travel size black truffle 100% satin pillowcase. Protect your skin from creases that can lead to wrinkles. Prevent hair breakage from cotton pillowcases and extend salon blowouts by using Savvy Sleepers. Created exclusively for the United Pillow. It's perfect for your next getaway. Okay. Yeah, so this would be $36. And it has, I don't know if you can see, like little truffles right there. So, all right. So this is a 12 by 16. And that explains this that came on top of the box. So this is a travel size pillow, and it's like one of them foam ones where you ever see, like I have the bed, the mattress where you put your hand down, it leaves a handprint and then goes back up. Memory foam, that's it. So that's pretty cool. And then the pillow is worth $28. So that's weird that the pillowcase is actually more than the pillow. So that's good that they have these two together, because when you do travel or on the plane, that's pretty good. Or like when you go to hotels, like I like to bring my own stuff. I don't use their pillows or anything like that. I don't know. So I get weirded out. So I always bring my own stuff. So that's pretty cool. All right, you got a couple more things here. All right, what's this? So this is a luggage tag and a charger. So that's pretty cool. Let me find out where that puppy is. Where you be? Okay, so this is retail values for $32. This is a power luggage tag in shimmer pink. So that's pretty cool. So let me just show you. I'm not going to open this up because I probably will give this away to my daughter, my stepdaughter, because she goes to college out of state, and that way she can have that when she travels. So let me show you what it looks like. So it is like a tag for your luggage, and it comes with a charger. So that's pretty cool. $32. Let's see what it says. It says, the power luggage tag is the perfect accessory for travel and every day. It comes with a slim, removable battery pack and includes a paper insert for personal contact details. Ideal use for airports, in flight, or anywhere else you need power. So that's pretty cool. All right, and last but not least, we have this right here. Now, this is the most expensive thing. This is worth $125. So you have the makeup bag, of course, and inside is where all your Sunday Riley stuff would be. So it's packaged like that. And then, ooh, okay, so what just fell out is some samples. There were 3 samples of the ceramic slip cleanser. One fell on the floor. And then this tells you everything you got in there. So let's open this puppy up and see what's in here. All right, so there's 3 things here. First, you have the title, Sunday Riley, what is that? Let's see, where is my pamphlet? Let's see what it says. All right, so we get the ceramic slip cleanser. All right, so we have those samples. We have the, what was this again? This is the Title Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. So that's pretty cool. It says a powerful yet lightweight gel cream which infuses continuous cooling and ultra fresh hydration into the skin for a luminous, non-greasy, non-sticky finish. Perfect for all skin types. All right, then we have this Good Genes lactic acid right there. And this just says it is a treatment targeting lactic acid treatment, rapidly exfoliates and boosts natural youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. And last but not least, this is a really good size. This is the Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream, which is pretty cool. And this says it is instantly delivers a lifted and depuffed look for the eye area while reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines, formulated with caffeine and Brazilian ginseng root extract. Eyes look fresher, younger, and rested for immediate and noticeable results. And this is the travel kit, and like I said, it is retail valued at $125. So this is perfect when you're traveling. You're not carrying like full-size items. So that's pretty good. And you get the travel bag. And what is this? The last but not least is for Sand Cloud. 10% of profits all donated to Save the Fish. Use code Sunday40 for 40% off for that speaker right there. So there you go. Take advantage of that. And there is the website right there. So that's pretty cool. So let's recap everything that we got in here, and let's see if we think it's worth the $95. All right, so you get the travel thing that is worth $125. You get this, the luggage tag, and also a power battery charger. You get these sleeping pills. I don't know how I feel about this. I know it's melatonin and B6, but I don't know how I feel about putting stuff like this in a subscription. This is probably my favorite thing. I love this little speaker. Like, I could take this to the beach, anywhere. I mean, I really like that. We have this brush that says it's retail value for $50. I mean, I wouldn't pay for it, but I'm glad it's in the box that I get to try it. And what else? And then we have this journal, which I will definitely give this to my husband. And I think that's a really good thing. I know it says it's worth $15. I don't know if I would pay $15, but I'm glad that it came in the box. Oh, I forgot. Then we have this pillow, which I love this pillow. And then we also have the pillowcase, which is really nice. I'm glad that it's satin. And then we have this towel, which I'll give this to my husband so when he goes traveling, he can have his own little towel. Or if I go to the beach, and I think it's really, really pretty. I like the tie-dye. So that's everything. Let me put the box down here, and let me give you my final thoughts. I definitely like it. I like the fact that every other month you get a box that is themed, which is good. Now, when I first subscribe to this, I thought, okay, it's a box of all Sunday Raleigh things. Definitely worth $95. That's why I got the subscription that I pay monthly, which takes it down to $85. I was like, it's definitely worth it. And then last month, the last month that I got it, 2 months ago, I was like, oh, I don't know. But now that I know it's themed, I still kind of like it. I really do. I think everything in here is you can put use to. If I can give it to a family member or a friend. It says the retail value is $385, and I think if you're only paying $95, you're definitely tripling your value, what you pay for the box. So I actually think it's worth it. I really do. I like it. I'm going to continue to keep getting it. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Would you pay $95 for this box? Would you get use out of it? Let me know what you think. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Don't forget that I do have a giveaway going on for our 30K Appreciation Day. I will leave it right here. You'll see this. So when you see that video, make sure that you click it and make sure that you enter. I'll also leave it down below and on one of the end cards. And yeah, that's everything. Make sure that you are subscribed because I have a lot of things up in store for this channel, not just unboxing. So, and make sure that you turn that notification bell on because YouTube is playing games and they're not letting people know when I upload my videos. So that way you know, and you can get in for upcoming video giveaways because I will have a few in June as well. And that's everything, guys. Please like this video. Don't forget to let me know how your day is going. As always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.